Hi guys, today we're gonna play. Wait, oh there. Wait guys, you can see my screen. Then thanks. You cannot see my face because by the way I'm using mobile. Ay, I'm super dark here, but yeah. Bro, stop it, bruh. There. Yeah. Yeah. There. Wait, I'm yellow team. Definitely, definitely can see it in my face. Wait. There. Wait. There. Stop. Bro. Wait. Is that good? There. Then I'll show you some myths. And the first thing you do is a wooden block and make sure you have 50 gold and buy the hinge block. And do it like this. It can also work in any blocks. First you get the hinge block that what you apply. Make sure it's upwards. And if you already know this myth, I have more myths for you. And if you don't have the blue block, you need to do the find request. Just put one and launch. And go to the end and be careful because it's super fast. Wait. The wrong answer. Wait. Oh. What is that, bro? What is that? What? Huh? Bro, I'm banned. Bro. Are you serious? What? Ow! 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 There. Oh my god. Oy. Whoa. Okay. Be good. Good boys. Very good. What? At the end. Yo. There we go. There's more myths to do. Wait. There. Good. Ow! Is there... What? Me? I died. You can use that and now you know. Make sure you need one glue to do it with the wood block. And if you definitely do the find request, first you gotta place one glue. And the second you need to put a chair. There we go. And get the glue block again and put it inside your body. And if you have the auto thruster is much easier. And make sure to put balloons. One is necessary, so it's good. And okay, now launch. Look like this, guys. If you fall, beautifully we have balloons. Now we're gonna fly. And activate the thruster. And it's super fast, but we have the magic. Be careful because it's mighty. Super fast, 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 fast. Wait. And there we go. Win. And the first win in this video. It's gonna kill me, bro. There we go. Salamat. May paano to i-end? May paano i-end yung video? How to end the video, me? Uy. And the second thing you do is you can do this. And you can use any block too. And you can just do whatever blue you want, but make sure you have the hinge block again. I have 21, but so that's why I don't have to really do nothing. Yeah boy. And you can see it's just like this. Is just so simple. Launch. Here we go. Make sure you're on the right. What is that thing, bro? What is that thing? What is that? Is that until? Bro, just gonna get up because I may get killed by this little disgusting. Yo. And now you know this myth, and you need to go to find the arcade area. Make sure you not get this. Oh my god, bro. You almost got grass. And make sure and click this button if the yellow thing there. Yeah, you need to click the button. And there. And then jetpack. Wait, I'm gonna reset. Now you know. Wait. And there's some in the... But I need to fast. Don't worry about my gold. Wait. How much do I want to buy? I'm so rich, guys. 540 gold, yo. Wait. Oh! I got a thruster. The second is this one. This thing right here. You stand on it and that's your boat. Joe. This is an flying thing too. And there's 3 I know in the build the boat secrets. just 3, but I can find the Wild West world. That's where it is. And lunch, that's where we go. Be careful, but be careful. Be careful, but it's really fast too. Okay, wait. What's my team again? Yellow. Okay. Upper do. So if you cannot see my face because my camera is getting on my and here, and the yellow thingy must be on the right, is on the might needs to be on the there. Wait. Yeah, there. Are you serious? Wait, guys. Now you know the line glitches, but now I need to show you the birds. I don't have the Wild West, so sorry. Just need to go there fast. I'm about to. And I'm a fan of Podio. I'm a fan of Pudi. Yo, what's up? Yeah, thanks. Oh, okay. What? Bro, that's so crazy. Wait. Are you serious? You. Oh. Okay, that's done. Bye, guys. See ya. Wait, how to end? Okay, bye.